What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing 3 Dark Horse Comics Cyberpunk 2077 figures. These include Jackie Wells, Johnny Silverhand, and Goro Takemura. Now, this video is featured on the playlist Unboxed, Explained, and Demoed, so you can find videos related to this topic quickly and easily. As always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. Now, you can find these items and related accessories at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. Each of these figures ship in a Cyberpunk 2077 themed packaging with the expected yellow and black livery. The back of the packaging features highlights of each figure, which we'll talk about more later in the video. Each unboxing is simple as each package includes only the figure. It would have been nice to have an insert with character story here at minimum. When it comes to height, each figure is about 9 to 10 inches tall, weighs close to a pound, and is rich in detail. Now, unfortunately, these figures aren't posable, but you can place them in positions where it looks like they might be aiming at things. So we're going to set them up so that it looks like they're targeting the camera or that they're just simply ready for action. So let's start with Jackie Wells. He's the heaviest figure of them all, weighing a little bit more than a pound. When it comes to his hairstyle and cybernetics, they are spot on. Now, cyberpunk fashion is iconic, and Jackie is repping the Valentinos here with his Valentinos branded jacket and t-shirt. When it comes to keeping gonks in check, Jackie has a machete strapped to his back as well as 2 gold-plated pistols. Finishing things off here, Jackie is wearing tactical pants with cross stitching and a nice strap to the left thigh with red rope as a last ditch effort. Next we have Johnny Silverhand with his rocker tactical combo appearance. He's rocking his guitar in his cybernetic hand, which is attached to a cybernetic arm which runs up to his shoulder. A samurai branded vest serves as protection in case the current situation goes south. Skinny brown pants complete the rocker look along with black boots. And if dropping foes is necessary, he's wielding his blaster to drop any enemies in his path. Finally, we have Goro Takemura. Now, seen in the game, Takemura has this Arasaka cyberwear that wraps around his neck and runs down to his chest. Now, Takemura's styling is a bit simpler than Jackie Wells or Johnny Silverhand. He's repping essentially a business suit here. Out of all the characters though, Takemura has the coolest looking gun here. He has the Shingen Smart SMG. And just like Jackie, he has a man bun with cybernetic cyberwear. Overall, these figures look iconic and can be placed to create a dramatic scene. These are also perfect for anyone who's a gamer, who likes comics, or is a sci-fi junkie. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or I would like to buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way to support us is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way to show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on if you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.